Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the latest update from Iraq, the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) has unveiled a bold initiative aimed at modernizing the country's financial infrastructure, the integration of a digital currency into its economic framework. This announcement comes at a critical juncture when Iraq's economy faces mounting pressure to stabilize its currency, curb corruption, and attract foreign investment. What is digital currency integration? Digital currency, often misunderstood as cryptocurrency, refers to government-backed digital forms of traditional money. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which operate on decentralized networks, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are fully controlled and regulated by a country's central bank. The CBI has hinted that the introduction of a digital dinar could potentially improve monetary policy implementation, make transactions more transparent, and reduce reliance on cash. This is particularly significant for Iraq, where the informal economy and parallel currency markets often undermine official efforts to stabilize the dinar. The central bank's vision? The central bank's officials stated that the adoption of digital currency could serve multiple purposes. Enhancing transparency. Digital transactions would allow the government to track money flow more efficiently, potentially reducing tax evasion and corruption. Combating the parallel market. Iraq's black market for currency exchange has long been a thorn in the side of the formal financial system. Digital currency could make it easier to regulate and monitor currency movements. Boosting economic stability. By reducing dependency on physical cash, a digital dinar could stabilize the exchange rate, particularly during periods of external shocks or fluctuations in oil revenue. Encouraging financial inclusion. A digital currency could bring more people into the formal banking system, especially in rural areas where access to banks is limited. Challenges and concerns. While the vision seems promising, many experts and investors have expressed skepticism about the feasibility of this plan. Iraq faces several hurdles. Lack of infrastructure. The country's banking and technological infrastructure are still underdeveloped, which could delay the rollout of digital currency. Public trust. Many Iraqis remain wary of the banking system due to past scandals and inefficiencies. Convincing them to adopt digital currency will require significant public education campaigns. Implementation timeline. The central bank has not provided a clear timeline or roadmap for this initiative, which raises concerns about whether it is serious about execution or merely making empty promises. Impact on the Iraqi dinar and investors. One of the most pressing questions is how this move will affect the value of the Iraqi dinar. The dinar has long been undervalued, with its exchange rate often manipulated by external forces and internal mismanagement. Investors, particularly those hoping for a revaluation of the currency, see the digital currency plan as a potential game changer, if implemented correctly. However, many investors remain cautious. Past reform initiatives, such as the project to delete the zeros from the currency, have been announced with great fanfare, but have either stalled or failed to materialize. Without a concrete plan and immediate action, this initiative risks being viewed as another attempt to buy time. Broader economic implications. If Iraq successfully integrates digital currency, the benefits could be far-reaching. Global trade. A more stable dinar backed by digital infrastructure could facilitate international trade and attract foreign investment. Oil revenue management. Digital currency could make it easier to track and distribute oil revenues, ensuring that funds reach intended projects and beneficiaries. Anti-corruption measures. The transparency offered by digital transactions could help reduce corruption, a major obstacle to Iraq's development. Public sentiment and the road ahead. The Iraqi public and dinar investors are watching closely, hoping for tangible progress rather than repeated promises. Social media platforms and forums have been abuzz with discussions about whether this move will finally deliver the much-anticipated economic transformation. However, patience is wearing thin. Many Iraqis feel that their leaders have prioritized short-term fixes over long-term solutions. The introduction of a digital dinar could be a historic step, but only if accompanied by robust planning, transparent execution, and sustained political will. For now, Iraq's leadership faces a critical test. Will they deliver on their promises, or will this initiative join the long list of unfulfilled reforms? Only time will reveal whether this marks a turning point or yet another missed opportunity in Iraq's quest for economic stability.